Electrostatics.
Now, we want to see the next topic is definition of unit of charge from the Coulomb's law. It means that we want to define the 1 coulomb of electrical charge, right, from the Coulomb's law. For that, first of here, we want to consider two electrical charge. Suppose this will be the first electrical charge Q1, this will be the second electrical charge Q2. Here both the charges which is separating by the distance is there, suppose R. Then as per the coulombs, here the force between these two electrical charges are what we get there, F, which is equal to the, right. And again here, suppose if we consider both the charges which is placed inside the vacuum or inside the air medium or free space, then at that time this force which is written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. You know that meaning of epsilon 0. Epsilon 0 is the permittivity of a free space. That is the ability of a free space or vacuum to hold the electrical charge, right? So that ability is nothing but the permittivity, and which is written by the letter is epsilon 0. Then here charge Q1, Q2. So what we get there? Q1, Q2 upon distance square. See here, as per the Coulomb's law, the force between these two electrical charges in vacuum is, what we get there? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Charge Q1, Q2 upon R square. Right? So this will be the formula of electrostatic force. Now in that, we know that the value of epsilon 0 is, what we get there? The value of epsilon 0 is 8.85 into the 10 raised to minus 12. And the unit of this one is simply Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Right? So this will be the value of epsilon 0. If we substitute these values in this one, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, then the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, which is equal to the, again we get the one of the standard value of this factor, that is 9 into the 10 raised to 9 Newton. Right? And again here, if we consider, if the value of charge Q1 and Q2 is same, that is 1 coulomb, so Q1 which is equal to the Q2 which is equal to the 1 coulomb. And again, both the charges which is separating by the distance is R, but here the value of R which is equal to the 1 meter. Then this force which is written as, what we get there? Here the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is simply, what we get there? 9.0 into the 10 raised to 9 into the value of charge Q1, Q2 is simply 1, that is 1 into the 1, and again distance is 1 and 1 square is again there 1. So finally here what we get there? F which is equal to the 9.0 into the 10 raised to 9 Newton. Right? Then from this one we define the 1 coulomb of electrical charge. Here 1 coulomb of electrical charge is the amount of charge which when placed at the distance 1 meter from one another charge of the same magnitude in vacuum and experience the force of, which one? That is the force of 9.0 into the 10 raised to 9 Newton. This will be the definition of 1 coulomb of electrical charge. The definition is 1 coulomb of charge is defined as the amount of charge which when placed 1 meter distance apart from one another charge of the same magnitude in vacuum, and which experience the force of 9.0 into the 10 raised to 9 Newton. Right? So this will be the definition of 1 coulomb of charge. Now, here this 1 coulomb is the large unit, but in practice we want to use the smaller unit. Here, in microscopic level, here we get the 3 units. First one is the microcoulomb, second one is the nanocoulomb, third one is the picocoulomb. But now here again we want to see the meaning of micro, nano and picocoulomb. See here, here 1 microcoulomb which is equal to the 1 microcoulomb. So this micro, which is written by symbol, is simply mu, that is the mu c, and their value is 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Here micro stands for their 10 raised to minus 6. So the value of 1 microcoulomb is simply 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Right? So this is about the first one. Now second one, that is 1 nanocoulomb. 1 nanocoulomb. Here 1 nanocoulomb is nothing but the 1 NC, and represents the nano. Right? But the value of nano is there simply 10 raised to minus 9. And now this coulomb is as it is. So what we get there? 1 nanocoulomb means there 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. And third one is, what we get there? 1 picocoulomb. 1 picocoulomb, which is equal to that pico, which is representing by letter simply p, that is small p, that is a picocoulomb. Right? But here pico stands for their 10 raised to minus 12, and now this coulomb is as it is. So what we get there? 1 picocoulomb, which is written as simply 10 raised to minus 12 coulomb. Right? So this is about the unit of charge as per the Coulomb's law. See all the equations once.